Namaskar and welcome to all of our partners at Podar Jumbo Kids. I know we haven't met, but I'm sure we have met through emails, letters, through videos that you have seen, and through your commitment to Podar Jumbo Kids. Yes, I know a lot of you must be very anxious about the changes in policy, in age policy that have come about in your state. Relax and rest assured that Podar Jumbo Kids is going to help you every step of the way to ensure that you are able to work with these policies for the benefit of your center. The policy presently in Gujarat is that every nursery child should be 3 years. Now, presently there is a little controversy about whether the child should be 3 by August 31st or by June 31st, etc. We will help you throw light on that. We are just waiting for the government of Gujarat to define a date. But till that time, we have sent you some rules and regulations to follow. We've sent it to the master franchise, and I'm sure the master franchise must have shared them with you. Point number 1 is that if you are taking in a child in nursery who you think is underage, then it's very important that you make the parents sign a letter that we have sent across. This will absolve you from all responsibility about why the child is underage. I'm sure the child will be underage only by a few months or weeks or days. Please do not take a child who's almost a year younger for nursery. That I'm sure you are committed to. So when nursery is concerned, you will have to ensure that if underage, you are taking an undertaking letter from the parent absolving you of the responsibility. Please attach that letter to the admission form of that child. Very importantly now, there is a lot of controversy going on that a child below the age of 3 should not be there in a school. Now, as far as the RTE Act of the government of Gujarat is concerned, if you read the RTE Act, especially point number 8, it does not say that a child below the age of 3 should not be in a school. It says every child should be 3 years. So I feel this point is more valid for the high schools who are not supposed to be taking any child below the age of 3. Again, to counteract this for you, because your main admissions will come maybe in the toddler class or in the play group class, what we have done is we have changed the names of these classes. For the toddler, we are calling it child care. Now, in the beginning, we thought of calling it playland and calling the play school child care. But if you notice and go through your numbers, your maximum admissions are in play school. And if you call it child care, you may not be able to compete with the other brands because a parent may feel at Jumbo Kids to sirf child care karte hain. That's why we switched these two. We are calling your toddler class now child care because in the toddler age group, even in the government policy, it is said that you are only supposed to take care of their care, health and nutrition. So, it's better if you stick to the name child care. This is your toddler class. Now, if you look at the age given here, it says 15 months to 23 months. So, if you are having an admission of a child within that age group, that child will be admitted to child care. The curriculum, everything will come to you. Only request to you is please follow it strictly. Do not send any worksheets or any learning material home for these two classes without our sanction or permission. The second class, which is your play school presently, we have renamed it Playland. And in the Playland, you will admit children between 24 months to 35 months. Again, if you feel that parents want to admit a child who's younger, blah, blah, take an undertaking letter. In the long run, it is these undertaking letters that are going to help you. So, to reiterate, your toddler class is now called child care and your play school class, where your maximum admissions will come, is called Playland. Yes, they will have coloring activities. Yes, they will have worksheets for painting, etc. We will guide you which of these to send home and which of these to keep in school. But most importantly in this handout, which is very important for all of you, is the quote given here in the center. Get this handout, get a copy, print it and read it. I'm going to read what it clearly states. It says, we support the national ECCE policy of the Government of India for children under 3 years. Focus on health, nutrition and early psychosocial stimulation through free play and a lot of adult-child interactions like infant games, traditional songs, syllables, access to variety of play materials, individualized adult attention and interaction, opportunities to explore, early introduction to stories, infant books, drawings, etc. in a safe, spacious and clean environment. This quote is important because the center's policy, the central government's policy has said that this can be done with children, and that's exactly what your curriculum is going to do. So if you face any problems, that's why we have put this in your handout also. We are going to be with you every step of the way. We are going to be there holding your hands. It's very important that before you take any decisions which are going to hamper you or which are going to be path breaking, it is important that you take our advice. So I wish all the best to the master franchise and to all the sub-franchisees. Let me say what the Prime Minister of our country says. Together we can. So let's together make Podar Jumbo Kids a success for every age group. All the best.